Hello, everybody. This is your friend Jawad, Saskatchewan, and this morning I bring you something. I woke up today and went down, opened my door, and then what I found is a box. This box is Amazon shipping box. I have ordered something yesterday. I'm gonna show you this now. Let's open it and see what's in there. It's something useful, I guess, because when I bought my GoPro camera and I'm seeing, you know, it's already getting all the scratches. At least I don't want the scratches on my camera, right? So because they're using roughly used, in places. Let's open this. See what's in here. So we got this and we got this. So let's put this box away and a knife away here. First, what I got here is this is a glass tempered glass protector for YouTube. This is a tempered glass protector for GoPro Hero 9, which goes at the back of the screen, on the front of the screen, and the lens. So it has all three of them in there. That was $11 at Amazon. So bought yesterday, it already arrived. 1 day shipping, great stuff. Let's go and see what else we have in another package. This is, let's open this one. Let's see what it has. Obviously, I don't want to poke. So after taking this packing off, so it's kind of a case, kind of a nice, protective case. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so what it has, it is Neewer 50-in-1 action camera accessories kit. So this is all it's in there, all of them in this bag. And if you have a problem, they have come up with something called customer service and whatnot, right? If something is missing or something is broken. So what I am really, I'm not gonna open all of them because you guys already know this is a clip, a magnetic clip. I think I already have one of these, but this is not magnetic one. I think this is not magnetic. But anyway, I have one of these clips already. Came in with the GoPro. Yes, I am mostly interested in windshield mount, which is this one, I think. And then I'm interested in few of those other mounts. Plus, what I really interested in is a headgear. The POV video kind of thing. This is a chesty, I think. This has to be a chesty. You know chesty, right? You guys know chesty. This is chesty. These are little tools in there and all the screws and stuff like that. This one is hand rest, I think. Oh, this must be the head one. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to open it now and see which one is a head mount, because I'm more into. Oh no, this is oh, this is it must be a. This must be the. Yeah, this has to be the hand mount. So you wear it like you're wearing a. I guess this is how you wear it. And then you're gonna go in there. You're gonna grab this in here, and then you're gonna bring it back. So if somebody wants to wear their GoPro in their hand, you know, I don't know for what, but there must be a reason. There must be some kind of a. I am new to this, man. You know, I never had a GoPro before in my life. It's the first time. Okay, so bear with me. These are all the thumb screws, other attachments, little attachments here. These one are the same thing. This is a helmet, I think. The one which goes on top of, you know, if you're biking and whatever. I'm gonna have to open this. Probably it's in here. What I'm looking for, but I'm not sure. Where is it? This is chassis right here. I'll put this back. So you have to count this. 1, 2, 3, I thought I was missing this. This is what actually I'm interested in. Out of all these things, this is what I'm interested in. This one. This one is for. This is for POV. This is your head mount. Right here. This thing is a head mount. So you wear it like so. You wear it on your head. This is what I was interested in, because I was planning to make some POV videos. So this is what it is, you know. All that, all this is plastic. Everything is just plastic. But why would you spend, you know, hundreds of dollars of these? If you calculate everything, you know, this thing is like, if you go buy from GoPro, probably it'll cost you $200-300 for all these accessories, right? They got a little yellow floating handle too, you know, with a blue ribbon on it. We got a selfie stick right here, you know. That's long. Like if you're out there filming yourself like that, you know. Well, I never did that before, so I don't know how useful this could be. But something, I guess. Put it back. Look, got a little tripod in here too. That little tripod where you put your little camera, you know. Hook this up here with the other accessories. So, you know, I guess that's how it goes. Anyway, guys, these are all the accessories it came with. So, where it was just right here. So now we're gonna go through all of them. We got a case, and then we have a chassis, head mount, and we got these floating yellow stick, and we have suction mount, we have a clip, and all other small screws and parts, and some stickers. So this all came. Got a little pouch here too, I don't know for what. Plus we have these little two-sided tapes, I think. These are two-sided tapes. I don't know what is that for. So all this came in this package, as you already know. Good. You can travel with this, I guess, and it cost $33. So for $33, you got more than 50 pieces, accessories. You can't say they're all accessories because they are actually because some pieces, some are they're just screws and stuff like that, right? So what you say, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Yeah, these are 51 pieces altogether, you know. So that's just showing you in the front. The guy is, so even you have a helmet accessories if you are on a bike and stuff. I think the video is getting already too long. It's 12 minutes, 13 minutes actually. So I'm gonna turn this off. But anyway, I think it's a good buy, guys. If you're looking for GoPro accessories, this is a good way to go. Buy it through Amazon. It cost you $33. This cost, you might get cheaper. But and another important thing is this tempered glass for your Hero 9 or Hero 8 or Hero 7, whatever you got. This is a good investment. You know, I don't want my camera to, you know, get scratched or break down on the screen, especially. And this even work, you know, your screen will still work after even putting this on. So guys, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video. You guys have a good day. Ciao.